There are many ways that a man shows his wife how he loves her. I think one that's easy to miss, because it's challenging and hard to do, but a particularly powerful one, is when sometimes we say to our wife, "You know what, dear? Let's abstain. Let's be together in some other way right now." What might be the circumstances to do that? When might that be a particularly powerful way of saying, "I love you"? Well, here's one. What if we perceive that our wife has some concern right now about the possibility of conceiving? This is a rich, challenging topic. Let's keep this simple. She right now is perhaps wondering, is this the right timing? So she's feeling a little bit of anxiety. So she has a concern about this. Regardless of whether ultimately that fear is a very well-grounded one, or whether that fear or concern is one that will be determinative of exactly what we do, it's extremely important that she is experiencing it. And simply the fact that she is experiencing that can be honored and respected right now by our having this response. Imagine how she'll experience that as our seeing her and our taking care of her, by being willing to say no to ourselves because we've seen a challenge that she has. Well, similar but different is any of a number of reasons that she might just not be inclined. Apart from that, the concern of conceiving, just not being inclined. Is it bodily? Is it emotional? Psychological? For whatever reason. This is something that we men, it takes a while to learn. This is one of the great challenges, and I dare say gifts of marriage, that we need to learn to reckon with that difference, right? A woman's desire is just different. And so that we really have an eye for recognizing, for whatever reason, she's not inclined. Maybe willing, but not inclined. So what do? Imagine how she'll experience it when we say, dear, let's do something else. She'll know. She'll feel. We saw her. And we were willing to make a sacrifice and love her. We, in this way, show her and cultivate in ourselves the kind of love she deserves, the kind of love that is really the love that animates marital intimacy to be what it should be. Of course, in offering to abstain, we could be kind of grandstanding. We could be doing this in a way that is almost more about ourselves, like as though we're making the perfect move in the chess game of our relationship. This isn't about scrupulosity, but it's about an appropriate, confident, patient self-reflection. Am I really doing this out of love? Am I really saying this is about you? And we just keep trying. We just keep trying to be more intentional. It's about her. I want to love her better. And this is one of the ways I'm going to try to do it.